Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Charge the watch at least 20% and switch it on because pairing can fail on low battery. Open Fitpro and sign in. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled. The app needs both to scan and link. Allow Fitpro to access notifications and health data. This is why your calls and steps will sync. Now, go to the Devices tab and tap Add. We'll start the pairing scan immediately. Once you tap Add Device, Fitpro will scan. Pick the watch model that matches the name shown on your watch. If prompted, confirm the numeric code on screen or type the device ID. This prevents connecting to the wrong gadget. After pairing, grant sync permissions for contacts and notifications so alerts appear on the watch. Allow health and step data to upload. Make sure background refresh is enabled so the watch stays updated. Then finish by checking time zone, units, and which apps can push notifications. This is how your watch will reflect accurate data and alerts. Force a manual sync to confirm steps, heart rate, and sleep data show up in Fitpro. Watch updates may take a minute. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth on your phone, restart the phone and the watch, and retry pairing. If that fails, reset the watch's Bluetooth from its settings. This usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.